Hey gang, today we're going to be replacing this old bottom seal on this door. Door sweep. Some people call them door sweep, and that's fine. Either way, it's got to be replaced. Now this is the original one, so it is stapled to the bottom, which means I have to remove it. So come along. Let me show you how to get this done. Make sure you stay till the end. Give you a few tips there. This is as good as time as any to like and subscribe down here below. I appreciate it. And if you have any questions or comments after you watch the video, let me know. Now these doors are solid core. They are very heavy. So if you're not used to doing this, get somebody to help you because it's very easy to smash a finger. And when these babies smash it, they're smashed. So I've got it out in the garage. I've got my sawhorses set up. You do need a pair of sawhorses or something to lay the door on. As you can see here, this thing is not the easiest to get off, but these new ones like that, and they have a little glue at the end. I don't worry about that. So go ahead and just, I've got an old wood chisel here that I use for jobs like this. I don't use it for wood anymore, but it comes in mighty handy as a pry bar or a scraper. So once you get these off, you're going to have to come back and pull these staples out. I have, if they come out clean, as you'll see here in a second, some of them don't. Some of them take the piece of sweep with them, like that one right there. So those will have to be pulled out. You can hammer these staples in flat, flush with the wood. I've done that. That's fine. Here's the picture of the old one. So either way, you pull them out or hammer them back in. They got to be flat. You don't want them to rub a hole in the new sweep. So, and I like to use my pullers that those things are handy. They're really long handle. I can get leverage on them. If I can get them out this way, I get them out. Otherwise, I just hammer and flush. Now, if this being the door from the house to the garage, it's in good shape. It doesn't get wet. If you have wood rot, now is the time to fix the wood rot on the bottom of the door. Epoxy or wood filler, sand it, get it smooth. Don't put your a new sweep or bottom seal over rotted wood. Go ahead and fix it now. You'll thank me later. As you can see, some of these, when they're really close, I should have just hammered this in. That one that took a piece of the sweep out, I've got to get off here. I've cut it in half, and then I pull it out. That way, where I can get it. So it was the hardest part of the whole thing, other than carrying the door. The thing was huge. So I got the new sweep. I cut it to length. And you can use small nails, but I don't like. I go back with small wood screws. There again, and it helps if you hold that. If you but once you get it secured, that's it. Just make sure that little lip right there goes to the inside of the door. Otherwise, you'll have it on backwards. And there again, if you ain't done this, then make sure you get somebody to help you. Like I said, these things are heavy, and if that slips off that hinge, it's going to smash your finger, and you may lose a finger because these doors are really heavy. So they're nothing to play around with, and so just wait till you can get some help. So anyway, hey, that's it for today. If you got any questions, leave a comment or questions down below. I'd be happy to try to answer them. I appreciate y'all watching, and hope you like these voiceovers. I can't always go full on video. Sometimes I just have to do the video and try to be quiet as a church mouse. The lady was work at home lady, so she didn't like me using a hammer to get those hinge pins out, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. So anyway, hey, Donald, Blue Collar DIY, like and subscribe below. Also, visit the blog at bluecollardiy.com, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.